Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. It's tire day. Yes, it is. About 7:30 in the morning. Pulled into Ziegler Tire. They're one of the few that in our area actually do tires on this. So that's where I'm at. We'll see how it goes, see how it handles with some new tires. So big day for us here. See how it goes. First time I've ever done tires on one of these. So yeah, dig out your pocketbook. Here we are getting tires. Get started here in a little bit. Good old tire shop. Said it should take about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I'm gonna have them check the brakes too, because I don't know the status of the brakes. So we're gonna knock both out while we're here. Alright, still getting the tires done. See the rig back here? Still working on it. Back there in the bay. Did find out that we need brake work done. So at some point we'll have that done, probably next year. Said the brakes were at 60%, but needed done sooner rather than later. So we'll go ahead and start budgeting for the brakes next year. That's kind of where we're at. Been about 2 hours now. Hopefully getting done soon. So we'll see how it drives after they're done.